Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your printer to Epson iPrint. First, download the Epson iPrint app from your mobile device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Next, make sure your Epson printer is powered on and connected to the same wireless network as your smartphone or tablet. It's also a good idea to confirm your printer has enough ink and paper ready for use. Once the app is open, tap on the Printer is not selected or Select Printer option, usually found at the top of the screen. The app will then automatically scan your local wireless network for compatible Epson printers. From the list that appears, simply choose your specific printer model. If your printer doesn't show up, double-check your Wi-Fi connection and try refreshing the search within the app. Now that your printer is connected, you can easily print. Navigate within the iPrint app to the document, photo, or web page you want to print. Tap the print icon, which typically resembles a small printer. Here, you can customize your print job, adjusting settings like paper size, the number of copies, and print quality. Once everything looks good, simply tap Print to send your document to the printer. If you encounter any issues, first ensure both your mobile device and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. A 2.4 GHz connection is often more stable. Try restarting your printer, your Wi-Fi router, and your mobile device. Also, keep your Epson iPrint app and your printer's firmware updated for the best experience. For more complex problems, refer to your printer's user manual or Epson's official support website.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.